everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy wherever you all are and following all COVID appropriate behavior, being a responsible citizen. Today I'm going to talk about my journey from being an introvert to an extrovert, from being a camera shy person to gathering that ounce of courage to speak to you all today, the driving force behind it. So here's the thing, since my childhood, I've always been a mixture of introvert and extrovert. But when I became a cabin crew, it made me more of an extrovert person. It helped me being a good communicator. It helped me, build my relationships, and it actually made me understand the benefits of being an extrovert. But things hit rock bottom post marriage when I was going through depression and a series of OCD symptoms. It was a difficult phase of my life. But during this discovery process, there's a beautiful thing that which I discovered was the writer inside me. It really helped me to, bring back my voice, my confidence, and put it out to the outside world. It helped me to gather courage. It helped me to become the person I am today. Last year, because of the COVID and all, things switched to online trainings and online webinars and all. I accidentally got myself, I was looking for some clarity and I got myself, enrolled into a couple of trainings and webinars with these beautiful life coaches. In this training, it literally helped me change my life and rediscover my new passion of being a life coach, which was all scattered, all this while and hidden inside the, fear that I always had. I used to see a lot of motivational videos during this self discovery process. And I used to wonder why I used to love watching motivational videos. What was the driving force? Was it that I loved it or I wanted to become? There was no clarity about it. And if I wanted to become, I think I never thought myself to that level because I was so shit scared that to even think of it, me going and talking to people on the stage or even in front of camera. So I think this limiting belief of mine had literally, cut off that route to even dreaming of this. But after undergoing through these two trainings and couple of webinars, it gave me a good clarity. It gave me a good clarity of what I can become. During my self-discovery process, while I was striving as a multi-potentialite to get some clarity, I had this habit to jot down all my interest, everything into on one piece of paper and just figure out, strike down your hobbies separately, your interests separately, and your the fields where you could, take it as a profession. And I remember writing down life coach and motivational speaker of one of those. So this is a vague memory which I had completely forgotten. But after undergoing this training, this webinars and a couple of webinars last year, I rediscovered that passion which was hidden under the layer of, that scattered vision and the, limiting belief and the fear which was so deep down. It gave me a view that I can actually, if I fight this limiting belief, I can reach that goal. With this, I also had a notion about being a life coach, that maybe life coach is an option when, you become more experienced or you get a lot of experience in your life. So that was my notion also with it. But seeing all, online industry, the training industry booming, and understanding, how it is all working, I thought that, I can actually be a life coach right now. It's not necessary I have to wait for it to become. I've always been a lover of reading personal development books, spiritual books, all this while. And I never knew, like, whys to read, maybe to understand the psychology of human beings, or the things that I have went through made me, lead through towards this journey. So all these things gave me a clear vision that I could be a life coach too. So this instant discovery of my new passion, and this was like a very firm, and it completely fit into my multi-potentialite thing. Like, yeah, this is something that I can do for a very long time without getting bored. When I was assured, I thought that, okay, this is something that again I want to go ahead with. And I think this is what, and to become that, there is no other way than again coming in front of the camera, because of the situation today, that everyone have to come in front of come online to talk about it, to say anything or on the tips or anything. So this was a necessity of that moment, to become a life coach, or even if I have to give a training to someone, I should be able to speak on camera. That was my biggest first fear. Even if I have knowledge, there's no use of knowledge if I'm not able to deliver right to the people, right? So there's no other way. So I think this altogether, understanding that this, if you really want to aspire this passion of yours, dude, you really have to be a speaker, and you really have to go in front of people and start talking. So I think this is that passion is the driving force that have given me the courage. The other thing I would say is, as a person, I've always been a very genuine and natural person to the core. So that this puts you itself in a comfort zone where you don't want to be that show off person, or present yourself someone else in front of camera. You just want to be yourself here, and that itself acts as an armor to the fear that of having speaking to you all. I think that is another discovery which I made, that being authentic and being genuine to yourself is actually giving me courage. And I think people also like us the way we are, not how we all the time present ourselves to be. So these are the two things that actually have led me to this journey.